let's answer this one problem that I found on an FB group. So Anne is late to a meeting in progress. After she joins the room, the average age of all people in the room increases by exactly 4 years. A few minutes later, her twin sister Beth joins the meeting, and the average age of all people in the room increases by exactly 3 years. How many people were in the room before Anne entered? Okay, so this is an average problem. So let's from the start. So ito yung from the start, we have number of people. So let the number of people from the start be n. And then their average, the average of these n people before n is, let's say that average is x bar, or let's just put it as x. Okay? And then after n joins, when n joins, the number of people will be n plus 1. And then the average is the average of all people in the room increases by exactly 4 years. So the average became x plus 4. Okay? And then a few minutes later, her twin sister Beth, when Beth joins, the number of people becomes n plus 2. Okay? Because we add Anne and then we add Beth. Joins the meeting, and average age of all people in the room increases by exactly 3 years. So we need to add 3 from this x plus 4. So after Beth joins, the average will be x plus 4 plus 3. So that will be x plus 7. So the question is, how many people were in the room before Anne entered? We are looking for the value of n. Okay? So if we have given the number of people and their average, we can get the total age. Okay? So the total age of people inside the room will be, we multiply this. Okay? So we have n times x. So the total age will be nx. After n joins, the total age will be nx, or we simply multiply people and then their average, n plus 1. So we have n plus 1 times x plus 4. And then after Beth joins, so we multiply this. So we have n plus 2 times x plus 7. But at the same time, this total age after n joins, this is also equal to nx plus the age of Anne. So let's say the age of Anne, we let that as A. Okay? And then for this, after Beth joins, so the total age is the same as this nx plus 2A, because Anne and Beth are twins. So that means they have the same age. So we can write this as A plus B. Anne plus Beth, but they have the same age, so we can write this as 2A. Okay? So now, we have two systems, we have two equations. So this is the first equation, n plus 1 times x plus 4 equals nx plus A. So this will be our equation number 1, and then this will be our equation number 2. So we have n plus 2 times x plus 7 equals nx plus 2A. So equation number 2. So now we just want to solve the value of n. So how many people were in the room? Find the value of n. So if we simplify this, let's multiply n times x. So we have nx, n times x, and then we have n times 4. So we have 4n, and then multiply the 1. So we have plus x, distribute the 1, and then plus 4 equals nx plus A. So simplify this, the nx will cancel out. And then we have 4n. We write it in here. we have 4n plus x plus 4 equals a. So this is the simplified equation number 1. Then for this one, so let's also distribute this n times x, so nx plus n times 7, so plus 7n, distribute the 2. So we have plus 2x plus 14 is equal to nx plus 2a. We have nx on both sides, so this will cancel out. So therefore, we have 7n plus 2x plus 14 is equal to 2a. By inspection, we can cancel this. We have a and 2a here, and then x plus 2x. So we can eliminate both x and a at the same time. If we multiply this equation 1, multiply both sides of the equation 1 by 2, and then subtract the equation number 2. Okay? So therefore, we're going to have multiply this by 2. So we have 8n plus distribute the 2. So we have plus 2x plus 8 is equal to 2a. So subtract the equation number 2. So we have 7n plus 2x plus 14 equals 2a. So change the sign. So we have 8. This will become, change the sign. So we have, this will become negative, 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 and then negative. Okay. So 8n minus 7n will be n. This will cancel out. 8 plus 14 or 8 minus 14 will be negative 6 equals 2a minus 2a is 0. Add 6 to both sides. So therefore, the value of n is equal to 6. Therefore, the original number of people before n is 6, letter B. That's all. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video, and see you on my next math tutorial about civil service exam, college entrance test, engineering mathematics, and so on. So if this is your first time, don't forget to follow or subscribe. Bye-bye and God bless.
Bye-bye and God bless.